If you have already tried the Mongolian beef, you know how tasty it is. I'm going to show you how to stir fry it with noodles. Start by marinating 350 grams of beef. Cut it into thin slices, always perpendicular to the fiber's direction. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 egg white. Mix. Add the 30 grams of cornstarch. Combine. Let it rest. Mince 4 cabbage leaves. One carrot in julienne. 1 onion into chunks. 2 mini peppers into small chunks. 30 grams of green onion and 15 grams of cilantro in sections. Grate 1 tablespoon of ginger. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Put them with the ginger. Now prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of black rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Add 10 centiliters of water. Mix again. Untangle 400 grams of fresh noodles. You can watch my video to learn how to make homemade egg noodles. Put them in a pot of boiling water. Briefly stir. Let them cook over high heat for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Drain them. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. Before putting the pieces of beef in the oil, previously heated to 170 degrees Celsius, separate them from each other. Proceed in half to maintain the temperature of the oil. Stir them for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Take them out. In a frying pan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the grated ginger and minced garlic. Regularly stir. When they start to be golden, add all the vegetables, except the green onion and the cilantro. Stir for 2 minutes. Turn to low heat, add the seasoning sauce. Stir for 10 seconds. Turn to medium heat, put the beef. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the noodles, turn to high heat and stir occasionally for 3 minutes. Finally, add the green onion and the cilantro. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. Stir-fry noodles and Mongolian beef are ready. Bon appétit! The beef is very tender. The egg noodles are tasty and chewy. The whole is a tasty dish. Thank you and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.